Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So I am just going through a detailed flip through or unboxing of some of the accessories that I received from the Princess box. So this here is the Planner Companion Accessories Pack, and it's designed to complement the classic Happy Planner for the princesses. It doesn't have to be exactly that one. It doesn't have to complement exactly that one. You can actually buy any of these to create the combination that you want. All right, let's get started. So I'm just going to open up here and show you what's included. Actually, even before I do that, I'll actually take this and show you what's included. So you'll get a storage folder, 2 vision boards, so back and front, a dry erase board, 20 sheets of note paper, 2 plastic envelopes, 1 pocket folder, and 2 more plastic envelopes this size here. Okay, so I'll take you guys through each and every one of those. I love the folder with a bell on it. So how do I want to do this? Okay, so I'll move this down to the side here. First thing are, oh cute, these envelopes. I love these envelopes, like for putting in receipts or anything like that, and you can clip them straight into your planner. I think this might be too wide for a mini. Let me just check. So there's no, actually the smaller ones fit perfectly into a mini. So you've got the 2 envelopes there, so that's what it looks like there, and then on the back, how cute are those? And then you've got 2, I guess, almost skinny classic size plastic envelopes as well. So this one is Do All Things with Kindness, and that one's with Belle. And that can fit in a classic. And then this one is Don't Let Anyone Dull Your Sparkle. And I think that one's just, that's for like all the princesses. And then next you have the 20 sheets of paper. So it is dot grid on one side, and then on the back you've got dot grid and then a place for to-do lists. I like that. So you get 20 sheets. Oh, and they're not all the same. Hold on. Okay, so let's do this again. First sheet is Mulan with the dot grid, and then on the back is Jasmine. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm getting excited. So the first 10 sheets, yeah, the first 10 sheets have Mulan on the front in the dot grid. You guys can see dot grid. And then on the back is a dot grid for Jasmine. And then on these 10 sheets, you've got, I guess, a place for a big to-do list. And then you've got lined paper with Belle. And then on the back, you've got a dot grid and to-do lists. I like this one. I like those very, very much. Then let's put that to the side here, and then you've got a pocket folder with Mulan on the front. I love the cherry blossoms. You're rare and beautiful. Love that. And then you have, oh, I just bent it. We've got the Gummy Pad. So this is just a sticky pad paper. Actually, no, it's not sticky pad. Are they sticky? No, they're not sticky. You could just basically take them, but little sheets of note paper. How cute, with a rose on them. And then you have the, what were these ones? The vision boards, I believe these are. Okay, so new adventures I'd like to explore in the future. Why this goal is important to me. Steps I need to achieve my goal. And then a dot grid. What I think you could actually do with this is if you laminate this, you could make this a reusable vision board and then just use dry erase markers on it. So that is an idea for you guys there. And then anyway, you do have the dry erase board here, so you can do all of the things. You've got the daily things here. I love that. And then on the back, you've got the lines and then the dot grid. Really cute. That's really cute. I love everything that they've included in here so far. I'm going to go ahead and put that back in here. It's hard to say what my favorite would be out of all the stuff in here. I love note paper like this that just comes like that you could just grab and go whenever you need. You know, I don't normally use pocket folders, but I could see them being so useful. I love the note paper in here, especially Belle's note paper. because I mean, she's my favorite princess. But then these, I don't use these that often, but I really like them, and I think they would be so practical, especially, well, these ones are cute. I love these ones. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. So this, all of the princess stuff that I am showing you right now will be available on walmart.com on November 1st, and then it will be available in stores on November 16th, unless, of course, there's sometimes they come out early. You guys know that happens. They will not be available on the happyplanner.com. Some of the princess stuff is exclusive to Walmart only. So I apologize for that. And then in terms of Canadians, I always feel like I have to say this. I haven't seen any Happy Planner stuff ever at Walmart. So I don't, like, this is my own local Walmart here in Edmonton, so I don't know what the rest of Canada is like. So I really don't know if any of the princess stuff will be available in Walmart in Canada. So again, I do apologize for that. Right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and you guys have yourselves a great day.